You're watching Camilla Ali TV. Today's video is about dream books and why I believe that you should create one, opposed to vision boards. I still do like vision boards and I like the whole thought of creating it, but I feel like having a dream book or a vision book, or however you want to call it, um, it's just more tangible, so you can like take it with you. So I decided to create a vision book, and I wanted to show you guys how you can make your own. So here are some of my past vision boards, and a lot of people say, well, I've heard, I watched videos of people saying why they don't feel like vision boards work, and what I will say is, I think that you have to focus on these. Like you really have to focus, and it's the same thing with the book, with the dream book. Um, you still have to look at it, and I feel like with the vision boards, unless you have like a designated spot that you like go to every single day, then you're not going to look at it. So what happened was I was creating them, but I wasn't looking at them every day. So I'm not giving my mind, my subconscious mind, that programming that it needs to record the things that I desire to have. Um, so I did have some of this stuff happen as far as like the fashion stuff, because that was something that I was actively involved in. So some of that stuff did happen. Right here, you see a passport. Um, I actually got my passport. So here it is again. On my most current one, I think I made this a couple years ago, and then I kind of like stopped making vision boards after that, and I just recently started with my dream book. And all I did was, I mean, you can buy, a fancy book or a good quality book, but I kind of just felt like it was fun to kind of decorate the book myself. So all I did was, um, got this like fuzzy fabric that I had, and I took a regular um, composition book, one that you get from the dollar store for $1. It doesn't have to be really expensive. And I just covered it, and you can decorate yours however you want to do it. And I put a butterfly on it because butterflies are my spirit animals. And I just love what butterflies signify. They signify transformation and change. And that's what I love about butterflies. So they're like my favorite, one of my favorite animals. They're not an animal. Insects. Okay, let me hit the rephrase that. They're one of my favorite, and yeah. So I just put a butterfly on it. I was gonna put a bunch of them on there. I still might, but right now I just have one on there. And the color green is my birthstone color. I was born in May, so I picked the color green. You can look at colors and what they, the symbolism in certain colors and how they affect your moods. So green is one of my colors. And basically all I did is just took magazines and cut pictures off. So I'm going to show you briefly. I got stuff in here for the kids. And so it's Disney World. The boys want to go to Disney World. My oldest son went to Disney World, but my youngest son hasn't been there yet. So we got Disney World in there. And just like traveling and family fun. So I just got pictures of like travel and like vacationing. Then I got my dream car, which is the Range Rover, and the inside of the car, and some nice homes. So I have like different style homes, and you can just repeat this stuff, so you can keep putting more homes inside your book like once you go through. And then I got like a wetting section of how I wanted to, my wetting to be, different like wetting placements and the floral arrangements. And here I got fashion. So I always wanted to go to fashion to school. I did self-teach myself how to do fashion, but I want to go to school to learn, the techniques and interior design. I'm also interested in doing that as well. So I have that there. And I have some more fashion stuff. And I have how I want my nonprofit to be. And I have, like, I write stuff in it too. And I write, you know, love, happiness, good health, prosperity, success, joy, family, excitement, like stuff, words that, positive words. And I did the same thing over here. I wrote anything is possible. And then I have a group of pictures of women together, because being around women is very difficult for a woman. And I just want those type of relationships, them good relationships with friends. So I put that there. I put some healthy eating. And I just write, you know, how amazing my life is, how beautiful my life is. And then I have a section for everybody that I love. And I have a section for their well-being, which is like I write good health, happiness, love, success, prosperity, money. And then I write it is so. And I write the person's name on the top with the heart. So I am putting out to the universe great things about the people that I love, you know, to keep them healthy, happy, and prosperous. So I include that in my dream book. And just here's more vacation stuff. And then, you know, you just keep going until you fill the entire book up. So as you see, I have a lot more pages to fill, but you can keep putting stuff in there. If you do travel, you can include that in your dream book. Maybe you can go back there, or if you like, you can pick up like brochures of different places and put that in there as well. So yeah, that is basically how you create a dream book. I will say this has been fun for the kids as well, because the boys look at it and they get excited. So you want to keep them excited about it. So I let them look at it as well, and they're like excited when I'm cutting off the magazine pieces and stuff to put it together. So yeah, if you do have kids, you can get them involved. If not, maybe you could have a dream book party with your girlfriends instead of a vision board party. And, you know, maybe once a month you guys can like come and have a like get together and update your book. Let me know. So that's pretty much it for this video on how to create a dream book. I'll leave some links below to a few other people who explain the reason why dream books are more powerful. Ultimately, you have to make sure you look at this book as many times as you can in a day. So that will amplify your manifestation process and make things, you know, you'll see things happening more quicker if you are looking at it often. So, you know, repetition is what brings things to you faster. So if you did like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel, and make sure you leave me a comment. And one more thing, share this video if you liked it. To my next video.